The Magic Box is a musical that celebrates the magic of Disney performing in Buenos Aires since January 11, 2024, at the Opera Theater. The stage transforms into a magical portal that invites you to live a musical journey through the songs of the Disney world. The Magic Box is a theatrical masterpiece that combines more than 70 iconic songs, from unforgettable classics to contemporary hits, into an original, immersive score. For the first time, a premiere of this production company is made in Buenos Aires. The cast comprises 26 Latin American artists who play Disney's most beloved characters. You will meet Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, Daisy, the Little Mermaid, Elsa, Aladdin, Simba, Moana, and many more. We All Live Together, the story of Mara, who enters the Magic Box, a mysterious box that allows her access to Disney's most fascinating universes. The story is moving, and you will see a spectacular display of costumes, projections, lights, and animations. The tale celebrates Disney's origins and timeless magic, awakening the inner child and the thrill of nostalgia in viewers. It's a unique opportunity to enjoy their memorable songs in an adventure that transcends age and captivates hearts. Tickets for the Magic Box can be purchased on the official website or at the Opera's theater box office. The musical lasts approximately an hour and a half and is recommended for ages 6 and up. The venue is accessible to people with reduced mobility. If you love Disney World, don't miss the opportunity to live this unique theatrical journey. If you like the stories we share, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. This way, you'll know when we upload more stories like this. See you next time.